Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have some smart window blinds from a company called Weffort. There is not much to the box, but I wanted to show you guys how it comes packed. So basically they are custom made to your size. You have to take measurements first and then you put that on the website and they will send you the exact size down to the quarter of inches, even less than a quarter of inch. So it doesn't matter the size, they can do it for you. It comes back like this is for a small window obviously, but they send me bigger ones. I chose to film this well because it's easier. So it comes in this cardboard box, everything is inside. It says the remote is inside, tells you what the motor type is. I chose Matter because it works with Alexa, Google Home and so on. And this is the room label. It says hallway small. That's how I labeled it. So yeah, basically this is how it comes. I'm gonna take it out of the box right now. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks like after I install it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We get a handful of accessories, but let's go through them one by one, starting with the small stuff first. So we get some instruction manuals right here on how to mount the blinds on the window frame, how to connect the remote. The remote is already connected, but if you want to use the same remote to multiple blinds, you can. It's all in the manual. And also in there we have connection to the Wi-Fi guide, to the Matter engine. Basically you will need an Alexa or a Google. So if we have a look through the manuals, we have some information about the solar panel, which I'm going to show you guys in a sec, tell you more about it. Matter, getting started, this is how to connect it to the Wi-Fi, remote programming guide, and how to mount it on the wall. So basically I suggest you should give this a read so you can understand what the drapes can do, how to use them at the full potential, and also you will make the setup way easier for you. As I said, they included a remote with a set of screws so you can mount it on the wall. The remote has this bracket which you can just slide the remote in. You can have it on the wall or you can use it without. You can have it on your bedstand, whatever you want to do, whatever you mount this blinds on. We have expansion screw set, a set of 4 right here. This is to mount these brackets that hold the blinds on the window frame. Basically put them like this, they will go into the window frame and then you just slide it in. It's got this spring action right here. Okay, we have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. Basically what this does, it's charge the battery of the blinds. They have battery inside, but my one came with solar panel because you can order the solar panel from the website for a separate fee and they will always be charged. This is the solar panel right here. Double sticky tape on both ends, put it against the window, it will always stay charged. It comes with quite long, I think it's a meter of USB Type-C cable. If we take all this stuff away for now, I want to show you the blinds. So let's just put this to the side. So this is the face of the blinds. This is what you're gonna see. Got this white casing on the front. It's made out of metal. You got the measurements. We got everything else, the color of the fabric, and we also have a QR code for whenever you connect it. So if we do this, this is the fabric. I chose 70%. They have blackout, they have 50%, they have 25%. Basically, each percentage will allow more light to come through. My one are 70%, but obviously if you're in a bedroom, I would suggest get full blackout, so in the morning you won't be woken up by the light. I don't like a lot of light in my room when I sleep. Again, we have the same QR code right here to connect it. We have some antennas right here. This is for the remote and the Wi-Fi. On the side, right here, we have a USB Type-C slot used for charging or plugging in the solar panel. We have a LED light, and we have a button for manually adjusting it or to pair it. To pair it, all you have to do is hold that button for 10 seconds until the motor jogs twice, and the light will be steady red. That means it's in pairing mode and you're ready to go through the app, through the SmartThings app. And yeah, pretty much that's it. That's all what you get inside the box. I am going to go ahead now and get a drill and screw this on the window frame, and I'm gonna show you guys the final result, and I'm gonna show you guys the app and what you can do. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so this is how the blinds look like when they're all set up. As you can see, it looks really nice, really clean, flush. If you take the proper measurements, it will look like that. It depends if you want to mount it on the inside of the window or on the outside. Inside, it's exactly like mine, so it's inside the frame. Outside will be on the top basically, but I think for most people, the inside will be the option that looks way better than everything. And as you can see, they come with a solar panel. They have a solar panel right here. So you can buy the solar panel separately from their website, or you can charge it from time to time, but with the solar panel you don't have to worry about that, because it doesn't need to be sunny, light it's enough. It plugs in into the USB Type-C port of the blinds, and it just works straight away. It's always charged. I never had to charge it. It works really good as well. And it also comes with a remote. We have some functions on the remote, up, down. It works with Alexa. Let me show you guys when they're lowered. You can program it so if you have a matter over thread hub, it will work with Alexa, so you can tell Alexa to lower it or have it up whenever you want. You can even set up schedules. And yeah, this is how it looks. 70%. It allows some light to go through. Obviously they have many options on their website, even zebra, roller shades, full blackout shade. It's entirely up to you. And yeah, pretty much that's it. If you guys want to buy it, I am going to have a link in the video description down below. You can check out their website. As I said, they have many products. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.